This recipe has been written down in Old Babylonian cuneiforms in Southern Mesopotamia during the first half of the second millennium BCE and is preserved in the Yale Culinary Tablets. Despite the usual difficulties in identifying the exact ingredients, it is possible to produce a decent reconstruction of this dish. It is unclear, at least to me, which part of the coriander plant is used, seeds or cilantro leaves, so you can use either.